Bootstrap. Open your favorite browser and search on the browser address bar Bootstrap. After searching the Bootstrap, then you are able to see the first link has appeared, getbootstrap.com. Open this website. After opening the website like Bootstrap, you need to click on download link. In this page you are able to see the download button or link available. Okay, you need to click on the link. Okay, now we have seen the download link file available on my screen. I select desktop and save and start download. Right now we have successfully downloaded the Bootstrap. Now I cut the folder and make another folder. This is a new folder and paste the folder Bootstrap. Okay, now next thing is right click it and extract the folder. Remove the zip folder. Right now I wanna set up the CSS file, so I double click on the file, folder, and I select all files without bootstrap.cs with the size of 156 KB, and I remove the other files and go to new folder and select the JS folder. In this folder I keep it available on this file. I select whole files without these files. I remove the other files. The folder, the Bootstrap files, JS files size is 109 KB. Right now the next thing is open your code editor and open the folder. Open the folder name is new folder. Open this folder. In this folder I want to create another file with the name of index.html. And I write the basic syntax of HTML5. Right, this is our basic syntax. I write bootstrap tutorial save, and I go to my new folder. Open this folder. This is our Bootstrap file. I want to include the Bootstrap files, so I write the link relationship style sheet href, and I write the folder name like css/, and under the file name bootstrap.css, so I write the file name bootstrap.css. Okay, now another file we need to include script clause and src. The folder name is JS. Under the folder name we have seen the bootstrap.js file available, so we need to include this file bootstrap.js. right, so now we are able to use Bootstrap. Okay, now let's check it. I write the div tag and I use class container. Under the class I write the simple button save, and I assign the class btn success and btn large LG. Okay, now save, open the browser and refresh the page. Now guys, you can see it, right? But two more things you need to do. The first thing is, first I will tell you why you need to include two files. Two files is the one is jQuery and second is JavaScript JS file, right? Then we are able to use Bootstrap all features like tooltips, drop down menus and other features. Now I will tell you. I click get start and I search on the search box drop down. Right, this is the drop down menu, and I copy the drop down menu code, copy it and paste the code under the body section, save, and open the browser, refresh the page. Right, Bootstrap drop down menu available on my page. I click it, I can't see the drop down menu. Why? Because we need to include the two files. The first file name is jQuery, the second file name is JavaScript. So let's get start to download and install, include the two files. I go to home page and I click get start. In this page you are able to see the jQuery link and proper.js files. First I open jQuery file, website, and click to download, and then I select the download compressed or uncompressed file, but you need to select the Slimblet, right? You can select anyone as you like, but remember the file name is Slimblet. Okay, select it, keep, and I show the folder and cut the file, go to new folder, select the JS file, folder, and paste here, and I remove the change the name of the jQuery file. Alright, the jQuery.js. Now we need to include this file. Before JavaScript file you need to include jQuery file, right? So I write source js.jQuery.js. this is our first file. Now the next file is go to the Bootstrap, and you need to select the proper JS file. Open this file, website, and go to the tooltip.js. Now I think tooltip.js. okay. Now go to the GitHub and go on below, where you can see the proper JS file available on here. Select this link. This is your proper JS file. Copy the whole code and go to code editor and select the JS folder. Under the JS folder I will create a file. I'll write the file name proper.js. In this file I paste the whole code which we have basically copied on the browser. Save. Now the next thing is we need to include this file on the HTML document. After the jQuery file we need to include script source js.proper.js file. This is the file name, right guys? Save. Then we are able to use basically drop down menu. So refresh the page, click on it. Now as you can see here, I remove the basically proper JS file, and I already included the jQuery file, and I refresh the page. Then I can't show the drop down menu, right? Now one more thing you need to do is the tooltip. I go to Bootstrap and search on the tooltip. Now I select the tooltip, basically here this is a tooltip code. Copy the tooltip code and go to code editor and paste the code editor and paste the code basically guys under the file. Save and open the browser, refresh the page. Now here you can see tooltips menus available, but I can't see the tooltip. Why? Because we need to include one more function. The function name is, you need to go on the Bootstrap and scroll, go to above and copy the function like this. Copy function and paste the function under the proper JS file. After the semicolon I paste the function. Save and I go to Bootstrap, refresh the page, and now guys you can see it. This is all about how you can download and install Bootstrap. The whole features available in this file. You are able to use the